In today's video, I thought I would share with you just a simple touch that I did to get my home ready for spring. So this video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by the Glam Elegant Living Society. Our host is Allie from Glam Elegant Living, and her co-hosts are Petalist Bless from Petalist Bless DIY, Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating, Candy from DIY Design by CCW, and myself, Sheryl, with iStylEMYSTYLE. And we are a Glam and Elegant Living Society, and we love to share glam and elegant home decor ideas with you guys. So this was an open invitation for everyone to participate. So there will be a link in the description box below for all the ladies that are hosting this collaboration, as well as a link of a playlist of all of the participants. So let's get into what I have done. So my living room has not changed much from winter. I did a winter, spring, and decorate with me. If you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box below, as well as in the iCards above. But my living room looks pretty much the same. Nothing has changed. As you can see, everything is still the same. If you cannot tell, black and white are my signature colors. That's how I decorate my home. It may not work for some people, but it works for me. It's my style, and that's why my channel is called iStylEMYSTYLE. But the one thing I did change up in this room is, first of all, I added this blanket. You guys know I am loving animal print. I don't know what it is about animal prints this year, but I absolutely am in love with them. And I saw this blanket. It is from Walmart. I love the softness. I love the print. It's gray and white, and it looks perfect here in my living room. It goes really well. It complements it. This blanket, I want to say, was $20. I got it from Walmart online. Then the next thing, I showed you guys, I added these white velvet pillow covers. They came from Amazon. These pillow covers here came from a Z Gallery. These were a find when I went into the store to pick up an online order. They were on clearance at 70% off. These pillows normally cost $90, and I picked these up for $20. Not a bad deal, and I picked up two. These black velvet pillow covers came from Amazon. I absolutely love them. I don't know if you can see, but there is a bit of texture to them and some sheen. Absolutely love that. I want to say those pillow covers were two for $20, if I'm not mistaken. But I absolutely love the aesthetic of how it looks. Now, this blanket also came from Amazon. It is a dupe, an Hermes dupe. I absolutely love it. I got this a few years ago, so I don't know if it is still available. The straight table I featured in one of my latest videos. If you missed that, this came from TJ Maxx online. Absolutely love the aesthetic of it as well. And then over here, I have my Glam candle holders. These sit on my table year round. Absolutely love them. They came from TJ Maxx. And then my coffee table, as you guys can see, is quite large. It is a glass coffee table that I picked up about 5 years ago when we first moved into this home, and it came from Overstock. And I got it because it reminded me of a table that I saw at Z Gallery. And actually Z Gallery was selling this exact thing, but they stopped. And I think Allie from Glam Elegant Living actually has the dining table that matches my coffee table. And I just love the detail on it. So pretty. And I love the fact that it is mirrored. This tray also came from Z Gallery. I was a big Z Gallery fan, and I still am. This tray also is from about 5 years ago. And I think it was like around $100. A little pricey for a tray, but if you know Z Gallery, their prices run really high anyway. And I think that was a sale price, so. But I absolutely love it. Now, to get to the things that I have changed and added for spring, I previously had some winter greenery in my vase here, and I took that out, and I have added this really pretty green plant. This came from Hobby Lobby, absolutely beautiful. And then I also added these really pretty white florals to just give it a touch of elegance. This collab, as I said, is part of the Glam Elegant Living Society, so you had to have some glam and elegant pieces. And those flowers, I think, are just elegant to me, along with my Glam candle holders. Absolutely love those. And then the other new thing I added was this little matte striker. You will see this in a haul. I think it comes up right after this. And I absolutely love it. It's very pretty, very modern. It doesn't work as a match striker, so it's really just a piece of decor. But I love the look. I am bringing in some brass to warm up my home. As you can see, it's full of cool tones, so I needed a little bit of warmth. And when I saw this at CB2, I picked it up. I want to say it might have been $49.95, which I don't know why I would pay $50 for this, but maybe I did. But I still love it, so there's that. And then these little candle accessories came from Amazon. Absolutely love those. And for spring, you simply must have a spring candle. And I picked this one up. Oh, it smells so good. And this is from Burlington. No, actually, it's from Tuesday Morning. And it was on clearance, as you can see. It smells really well, or smells really good. I haven't burned it yet, but that just rounds out my spring coffee table in my spring living room. So just to pan around, this is how everything is looking. As I said, pretty much the same. The only things I changed were my floral centerpiece, and I added a few things to the coffee table. So I hope this video has inspired you. You do not have to change up a lot of things or bring in or buy bunches of new things for each season. Just switch out a few things, add a few things, take away a few things, save yourself some money, and your home will still look really nice. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget while trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that's something you are into as well, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I want to thank the ladies for participating in this collaboration with me. I enjoy it every year, and we always open it up to everyone to participate. So I hope you get tons of inspiration from the other participants, and stay tuned for my next video. As I said, it will be coming up next. It is a continuation of my shop with me and home decor haul, and you don't want to miss it. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next one.